Afternoon, boys and girls. Hope Friday's happy. Today, going to open up Scarlet Violet Black Boulder Elite Trainer box. Yep. It's probably one of the last ETBs I'm gonna be open for a while. My storage space is running out, and they just don't produce enough value as they used to. I mean, this prices are going for, you might as well open up a booster box. Okay, anyway, reunite the Pokemon and Univern, right top trainer, and land Unity Legends. Well, Snivy evaluates Superior Reacts to Spider Power by Deals. The region's legendary mythical Pokemon, including Zekrom EX and Meloetta EX. Fill out your Pokedex. I have special illustrations, parallel cards, Pokeball patterns. Yeah, I've seen some of those. This box includes 9 booster packs, the Thunderous promo card, 65 sleeves, energy cards, you know, obligatory code card, you know all the rest. Anyway, here's the Thunderous promo card. Charge. Search deck for basic and lightning energy. Attach it to this Pokemon. Shuffle your deck. And, 2 lightning and 2 colorless for 110. Start an energy from it. Yeah. Pretty standard, but it's not impressive anymore like it was in the black and white days. These are the basic energies from Black Bolt and White Flare. It's got that checkered pattern basic energies had in the black and white era. And here's the sleeves, very nice looking. Zekrom. What can I say? And the dice. Black and blue letters.
Basically, like, whoever takes the damage to take your life, you see how it.
Poison and burn mount car pretty standard. And, well, what you've been waiting for. Let's see. The booster packs. Here we are. First pack, we got Krokorok, Pantsage, Elgium, Mulga, Electros, Sharna, Simisage, Thunderous, Palpitoad, and right out of the gate we got Zekrom EX. Let's go. This, something tells me I'm into something good.
What I like about it is you can 100% have like your own like.
Okay, here we got Timber, Muna, Snivy, Pantor, Cryogonal, Electric. It kind of looks like the Electric I used to play with the Rayquaza EX. That was a lot of fun. Sharna, a Pokeball. Actually, Pokeball? No wait, that's a Master Ball for Haxorus. Very nice. That's the other one that they were talking about. And there's Landorus. And the regular foil version. You notice the foil pattern in the background is exactly the same as the one they used in the old black and white era cards. It kind of makes me wonder if there's a black and white Redux coming in pretty soon. Alright, we got Clang, we got Cubchoo, Pidove, Carblast, Lomomola, Reuniclus, Braviary, a Pokeball Ligant, Servine, and Thunderous.
Once you kill a unit, you do whatever it says. So breach by.
So we got Gurgurt, LGM, Mulgut, Clink, Pokegear 3.0, Simisage, Golurk, And pour. Oh, whoa! Hey, we got an art card of Car Blast. He looks like he's throwing a toasty right there. Poor Thug. And Klinklang. Okay. Ooh, and basic energy with a really cool sparkly pattern, sort of staticky. We got Golett, Pawniard, Dynamo, Axew, Crocodile, Electros, Behemoth, a Pokeball Professor Juniper. Yeah, those Pokeball foils are pretty good. Crocorock, and hey, Meloetta EX. Music to my ears. Hits just keep coming. Palpitoad, looking cheerful. Fracture, Venipede, Servine, Energy Coin, Flip Stink, Electros, Crystal, Larvesta, Pansage, and Volcarona.
So they give them more.
Oh, so this actually is
Snivy, Moona, Webbel, Panpour, Fester's Research, Diagonal, Pokegear, Fro, Axew, and Caracosta. And another one of those really cool staticky foil energies, this time of dark. That's the last.
Well, technically the ability is called Link.
You got Rufflet, Oddno, looks so cute. Crocorock, Pansage, Bisharp, Cortoga, Ranunculus, Minchino, a foil Rufflet.
Goes around blockers.
The art card. It's cute. It's a big nest with a bunch of berries in it. That's nice. And another Zekrom EX. Goodness. Last pack goodness. Last pack goodness. Wish me luck.
I'm going to swing into this.
Got Pansage, Solosis. Looking all happy. Whirlipede, Fracture, Semaphore, Unpheasant, Prism Energy, Duosion, looking happy. Dynamo, and Cobalion. And that's about it for Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Black Bolt booster Elite Trainer boxes. This special set doesn't have booster boxes. So anyway,
Places don't even have enough. So some places are literally
loaded with packs and pulls. I mean, snap it up if you can find it. Yeah. If you liked it, like, subscribe, leave a comment. See you next time. Peace.